And what are you excited for?
To get candy.
This is pretty cool. This is really nice, especially when kids don't have to get out and run around. That's perfect.
Do you like candy?
A little bit. Trick or treat!
Very nice event.
At least my baby is enjoying this whole event. This is pretty awesome. We didn't expect this.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
Exciting. A fun Halloween event. It's great. Well organized and a lot of fun for the kiddos.
Happy Halloween.
This is our first time here, so it's great for the kids. It's great for the parents.
Yay!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Bye.